Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070311 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. Now the first step is to uh, go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and then resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Again make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Again make a right click and then click on restart. Now go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, hit retry and then update your Windows 11. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Copy all these commands one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description, and then write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311 over here, and then click on search. Now let me change the language. Now over here to check the version, so type in WNIVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case the version is 25H2. Then check the system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you can check the system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So for me this is the right one. Download as per your system and then click on download. Over here you will see KB5070311, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, use option fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer, and then once you see the repair version of 25H2, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then you have to click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish option and let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, next, accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on the install. After the installation, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.